Another one, mga katantu ko. Another Miracle Peptide Story Vlog. So right now, we're here. Ayan, nakikita nyo naman sa likod ko. So we've been messaged by Net25 and we've been invited to check out the studio for some interview. And right now, we're here. And yun palang 95.5 kanila rin. No? So guys, pasyal natin to.